Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Sargent number 98-2159 bolt, spring, and bracket assembly. This is a part used in the 90 series exit devices. This is specifically used on the 9898, for instance, rim device. On the opposite side of the case as the latch bolt. Latch bolt here, it'll be on the opposite side. There is a link below this video to a document called Parts Drawing or 90 Series Parts Diagram. And that's an old document. That document is about 30 pages long. I don't have an idea of when it was published. Could very easily be from I don't want to say. There's references to devices prior to 1992 in it, so it's very likely a 1990s document. For instance, and while it's not been OCR'd, you can't control F or find function on the keyboard. You'll find this in the 9804 function, part number 112, latch bolt, spring, and subassembly. Okay. And this video is going to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, made of, I'm tempted to say there's some stainless steel here. Yeah, the fact that it's only marginally magnetic tells me that it is stainless steel. Working stainless imparts some magnetism to it. The overall width of the item itself, about 1 5/8 inches. Overall height, about 1 3/16 inches. I've heard of this referred to as a mouse trap. Spring. It's not listed that way in the catalog, but that might be what the factory refers, affectionately I suppose, refers to it as. Also listed in the 9813 function. And as you continue to scroll through, there'll be other functions of that 98 series rim device. 9898 is also obviously part of it, but several and many of those as well. Part number 112, bolt and spring bracket. It's incredibly helpful that Sargent produces available documentation on this material. Exit devices are generally a significant investment. The ability to buy replacement parts is crucial. Why? Significant investment. You want to keep it working. You have hardware that without proper operating exit hardware, you no longer have functioning code-compliant egress doors as well. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Sargent products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog along with several other encyclopedic type documents, reference documents, older catalogs, vintage catalogs, parts drawings, template indexes, things of that nature. Anything important, that's where we'll stick it. Any questions on the 98-2159 latch bolt and spring assembly or any other Sargent product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.